The 2010 Red Bull Motocross of Nations. Lots of activities were happening even before the racing began. Dignitaries were on hand. TV cameras were in position. Anticipation and excitement were building, as was the crowd. And there it is, the prestigious Chamberlain Trophy. The first moto would be MX1 and MX2. Number 2 is Trey Canard. Number 1 is Ryan Dungey. There is World Motocross Champion Tony Caroli. Drama in the first corner. USA rider Trey Canard goes down. Out front, it was Ryan Dungey leading Tony Caroli. Number 11, Ken Roczen of Germany. Trey Canard put in maybe the ride of his life as he came through the pack. Ryan Dungey would go on to win race 1. Tony Caroli, 2nd. Trey Canard, 12th. In between races, we did live TV interviews with Mike Alessi and Levi LaValle in the Red Bull Energy Station. The second race was MX2 and Open. Clement Desalle, Team Belgium. Max Nagel, Team Germany. World MX2 champ, Marvin Musquin. Eventual moto winner, Ben Townley. Germany's Ken Roczen. And Team USA's Trey Canard and Andrew Short. Andrew Short leading, chased by Ben Townley. More drama. Short goes down. After the crash, Andrew took a few moments to get back on the bike. Canard once again finds himself in a must-perform situation. Ben Townley now leading. Number 9, Clement de Saul. Andrew Short would work his way up to 13th. Ben Townley would win the race. Trey Kennard, 7th. In between race 2 and 3, I did a live TV interview with Stefan Everts. Race 3, MX1 and Open. It was down to Germany, USA, and Belgium. Ryan Dungey and Tony Caroli. Max Nagel, Germany. Steve Ramon, Belgium. And who was the leader? Coming from the other side of the doghouse, Andrew Short, followed by teammate Ryan Dungey. US 1-2. Ryan Dungey would take the lead and go on to win the race. Andrew Short would take 2nd. Team USA wins again. Third place, Team Germany. Second place, Team Belgium. As Art Ekman would say, it's champagne time. As you can see with Team USA on the podium behind us, things were pretty chaotic as Lisa and I closed out the live TV broadcast for the 2010 Red Bull Motocross of Nations.
What a performance by Ryan Dungey. Next year, we'll be back in Europe for the 65th edition. We'll be in Central Beyond Delay France, so we're looking forward to that. Before that, we'll get to enjoy another motocross season. Don't miss the action, and let's
Your individual class winners: MX1, Dungey; MX2, Roxon; Open, DeSalle. And the winners of the Chamberlain Trophy, Team USA. We'll see you next year, 2011, in France.